What's up, what's up, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel. I am Kiki and I'm just feeling full of life today, full of energy. I just woke up on the right side of the bed this morning. It's late at night now, but somehow I'm just still in a good mood and I'm ready to get into it. So today's video, I am going to be opening my second Ipsy Glam Bag ever. Last month, I received my very first one and I compared that to my first Play by Sephora box. If you haven't seen that video, check it out after you watch this one so you can be caught up on all the stuff. Last month I did like Ipsy's Glam Bag more than I liked Play by Sephora's box. And there was a few things I wanted to see that would be different this month. I wanted to see when I would receive it, and I have to say, last month I received my glam bag over here. I received it the 18th of April. This month it came on the 11th or the 12th, so a lot earlier, which is good. It's perfect, like mid-month, so you really get to try the products, review the products. This month I did not want to wait on Play by Sephora, who's 4 days away from being delivered. That's unacceptable. It's the 14th of the month and I have to wait 4 more days. Nobody. No. So I just decided that I'm gonna go ahead and open my Ipsy Glam Bag. I waited a few days to open it. I don't know why. Don't ask me, because I was really excited about it. But you know what? Let's get into it. Oh. So I think I preferred last month's bag better with the butterflies. It was really spring-like. It's more of my style, but I don't mind this. I do love traveling. I like the whole idea of the passport stamps. It's summer. This reddish peach color is pretty cute. But it does remind me of like the 70s wallpaper kind of thing. I don't know, grandma-ish a little bit. So let's open and let's see what we have. So there's a card with a message and there are a picture of 3 friends having fun. It says, "Go there, Ipsy May 2018. And the back of it, it says, "Hey Ipster, we're writing to you from a cafe in Paris. Roxette is munching on crepes, Lynette is snapping pics, and we're all soaking in this beautiful city. Why are we here? At Ipsy, we're obsessed with self-expression, and we found that sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself." Isn't that the truth? Been there. To prove the magic of travel, we busted out our passport, hopped a red-eye to London, and took a train to Paris. We laughed, we cried, we drank proper tea, and ate too many croissants. And we captured every step of the way so we can share it all with you. Check out our journey, learn more about your glam bag pics, and see tons of travel-inspired beauty tips and inspo on the Ipsy mobile app. Then start planning your next adventure. Whether you're dreaming of a road trip, a beach vacay, or you're ready to trek across the globe, it's time to go there. Safe travels. And it says #Ipsy Go there. And I really like this because I feel like this sums me all up: travel, beauty, fashion. So I like the whole theme of this month's glam bag. Now we're gonna open the bag and we're gonna dip in. Oh, already I'm messing up and dropping shit. So the first thing that fell out of the bag is this Style Sapir French Garden Gel Liner. Okay, and the color, sorry if you hear my fridge, it just kicked in, is number 7. It's a gray color, or is it green? It's black with a tint of green. I don't even know how I would describe it, but it's exciting to try it. Here we have this eyeshadow brush. I really like it because it's a mermaid themed or unicorn, I think it's a unicorn, or under the sea, whatever it is, fantasy. It has these 2 little rhinestones here, and I just think it's really cute. It's really pretty, and I'm always, like I said in my last video about Ipsy, ready to add an extra brush to my collection. It's kind of, you there? Are you subscribed yet? No. What are you waiting for? Subscribe now, and don't forget to hit that awkward, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're alerted every single time I post new content. And for more yeah, I can never talk, so back to it. Unfortunately, because my very first experience, I received 2 bags, and the whole time I was opening the first bag, I was wondering like what was in the second bag. Just receiving 1 bag this time with the 5 items, I'm kind of like, it should be more. I don't know. So I'm gonna dip in the bag again, and we're gonna pull out this painting therapy pack, Sebum Control Black Color Clay. It's by Tony Moly. I can't smell anything. You guys should know by now I smell everything. So it's this color right here. I'm just going to wipe that on my hand here. Just feels like a regular textured mask. I really have a lot of whiteheads and everything all over my face, so I'm excited to try it. Last month, they had a clay mask and some moisturizer, and they worked really well for my skin in cleaning it and making me feel fresh and helping to remove some of my whiteheads, the clay mask did. So I'm excited to use that. Why not? Okay, so going back into the bag, let's see what's next. Oh, a lipstick of some sort. So here we have it. It's the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color, where's the color? Monte Carlo. So let's swatch that. I think it's gonna be really pretty. Let's see. Wow. Let's do another one. Woo! I'm liking that. It's very pigmented. That is a popping red. Monte Carlo, eh? It's like red with a tint of like hot pink, I would say. That's gonna be a beautiful summer color. So the last item we have in the bag is what? Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Shadow Premium Eyeshadow Mermaid Teal. Okay, so we have an eyeshadow in the color Mermaid Teal, but already the packaging just threw me off. This kind of disposable thing, I'm not a fan of that. So okay, although I'm not a fan of the plastic packaging that it came in, the pink pot seems to be fine. The color, I'm all about extra colors and loud colors. As you can see, I'm not scared to try everything and go for the colors, but I don't know if I would necessarily reach for this. On camera, it looks very similar to my blazer, but it actually isn't. The blazer that I have on is a mint green. This is more of a blue teal color, mermaid teal, hello, but it looks kind of the same on camera. So let's see. Let's swatch it. Ooh. So I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it is a bluish green. But as you spread it, it goes either more blue or more green, depending on like how the light hits it. I actually like it. Oh yeah, and there's a hint of like gold in there. I like it a lot. So I'm excited to do some fun looks with this. I don't know why the plastic is just annoying me. I just seem like, I need to throw this away, you know? But I do like it. So comparing last month's bag to this month's bag, I would have to say I absolutely love last month's bag better. It was more exciting. There were different things to try, and I think I was excited about receiving 2 bags instead of 1. Now it's just like underwhelming, you know. Once you have that first expression like, oh, 2 bags, lots of products to try, and then, you know, you had like deluxe size items to try, and then you receive these and it all seems small. Nothing's wrong with these products. I love NYX. I like the brush, but it just seems underwhelming compared to the items that I received last month. But this is actually still a win, and I am excited to try everything that I have. And the question that I'm always gonna ask is, was this month's bag worth the $10? And I would say yes, because I know this lip paint alone is like $7.99 or something in the drugstore. So right there, I got my money's worth. So that was it for this video, guys. I just wanted to pop in and show you guys what I received in this month's Glam Bag. Upcoming content, I'm going to be posting a get to know me tag as well as my first story time. I'm really nervous and really excited about introducing story times to my channel. That's the main reason I kind of wanted to do YouTube, to use my stories to really help people, but I've just been nervous to put myself out there. But I promise it's coming, and I'm going to start uploading on a schedule. So look forward to all that information in the next coming videos. Thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my little video, and I will see you next time. Bye. Open it up, open it up, open it up, open it up, open it up.